Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I guess I could officially say this is like my first makeup tutorial since the new year have started. Now, I was feeling colorful today. I received a new palette and I really wanted to try it out, and I figured why not play in some colors since my looks are usually like, they're not always the most colorful. So right now we have the red vibrant eyeshadows. I'm so loving it. Also, the palette that I used in today's video is from Chentilly Cosmetics. This is the Suns Out Buns Out palette. It's so pigmented. I'm absolutely in love with it, and not to mention that it is a black owned cosmetic line. So I'm really loving that, and they did not come to play with this palette. And I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you guys like this video. Also comment down below and let me know how you guys feeling this look. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay, so the first thing that I'm doing is I'm just gonna go in with some primer. I'm using my CoverGirl Blurring Primer. For foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Foundation, and this one is in the color Bronze. Before we start applying any makeup, all the brushes that I'll be using in today's tutorial is from Zoella. I love that name between. I don't know why. It's such a beautiful name. So, and it's really catchy. So I was like, I'm gonna name my daughter that. Weird, I know. Yeah, all the brushes are from Zoella. These are what the brushes look like. I have this two-piece set in a set that comes with, I think, about 10 brushes in there. And this set with 10 pieces inside now is on your website for about $60. But with my discount code, you get 65% off all their makeup brushes and all their makeup tools on the website. I'm just gonna apply a few pumps of my makeup onto the brush and dab it. And you guys, this is my wintertime foundation, so it probably looks a little crazy right now on camera, but this blush does blend in your makeup so well, like flawless. Now I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Make No Mistake foundation and concealer stick, and this one is in the shade Teak. So what it looks like, and I'm just gonna give my face some definition because my foundation is a little light. In my face, I am using the Born This Way concealer, and this one is in Warm Sand. Now I'm going to take this other foundation brush and I'm just going to blend out that contour. This is just to give my face some definition. Now I'm going to go back in with the one that I used to apply my foundation, and I'm just going to blend my forehead out so it's not looking crazy and I don't have any harsh lines. Just like that. Face is like already coming together, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to blend that concealer out. Now I'm gonna take a bit more of that concealer and I'm gonna go back over my nose highlight once more. Now I'm just gonna clean my contour up. Alrighty, so this is what my face is looking at this moment in time. Now it's time to go in and set all that. So I'll be taking my Sascha Buttercup setting powder, and this one is in Buttercup, and we're just gonna set that. I'm just gonna set the areas that I highlighted. And now in the meantime, while that's set, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw on my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and now it's time to dust away all that powder and go in and set my entire face. And to do that, I'm gonna be using my MAC Studio Finish foundation powder and NC45. So first, I'm just gonna dust away all that excess powder. Now I'm gonna go with some blush from MAC, and this one is in Swiss Chocolate, and I'm just gonna use this to contour my face. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, and the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is called Suns Out, Buns Out. It's from Chentilly Cosmetics. Palette, you guys, oh my god, it's so pigmented. I did not expect that shade to pop so much. Okay, like if this dark red shade is popping so much, I can only imagine what that actual red shade is gonna look like. This is amazing. I'm gonna take this red shade right here, and this is like the reddest shade in the entire palette. You guys can't really see it too much on the camera, but like it's a vibrant red shade, and I'm just gonna apply this one all on my lids. This palette is everything. So I'm gonna go back in with that same palette. I'm gonna take this gold shade right here, and we're gonna apply this into my inner tear ducts.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it.
Never seen a gold shade that was this pigmented. Like, look at that. And then now I'm gonna take this shade right here, Alright, Chentilly does have some bomb highlighters as well. So I'm going to use her highlighter to highlight my face. And this one is in Diced Diamonds. And this one is a very goldish pigment. This is what I'm talking about. I'm going to be taking my MAC lip liner. This one is in Chestnut. And I'm just going to line my lips.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel.